Mema Obibia Kwaba about GC News. Hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Eye Paul Adomoche our Metro TV or the Incendia to the Fakwan Yibiti Astop ASR Galamsey. Now, I said no, the two piano, and yet can tell the Amonoso about Boateng, Aberiati, and the Assembly Nara and Atuja. Now, I'm saying call and send you Message said, so we now subscribe to the channel now. Message said, over subscribe, click the subscribe button now, belly notification. We understand video from Frubia be upload. Also, once a be after we are now like video, no my thumbs up. Now, for you, share about offer for so in the be share. Afriyie go seven. Eye Paul Adomoche or the analysis be up to the Fakwan Yibiti Astop ASR Galamsey. Now, what let's say a group so I say Owusu technology. Now, Eye Paul analysis what say I see a robot be with artificial intelligence. Now, you program ASR robot. Now, you deploy SR robot here. On the other say or sense say excavate be a pure baby a to Galabia. Why let's say a robot a fire. Na idea or the man near Jojo. You program and want to sense excavated activity. Now, you let him say Galamsey. Quite money I do want to Galano. A lot of human activities. Nature say a day a month for so year winning food in a day. Now what you say per coin this way bit me a year Jojo bit me to swear die excavator activities and any partial activities. Then I say a year a police warning a soldier for a deploy and say one combo mining at them. A month to meet your bribes near day at the moment. Now a year Paul say no bit me is signing money for human activities. You feel honor. That's a robot in this segment. Won't mean command robots a bribe. Now, so you say now maintaining a gallery and the idea very possible. It me deploy yes, our robot here, one of the betting at this segment. I may tini akon a yes, our Galamsey. Then no can tell any yabi. Now, you said a poor this analysis a tuga. Now, we are the air cavity analysis or the tuga FR a yes, Galamsey cry a befoswa, you betting. Astopo a salad Galamsey. Yeni kenti a Paul and Sema or the Atuga. A far by facility. A sea Galamsey Inti Paul Sema.
We are looking at this as an environmental distraction that is very lucrative. And that's the key. The key for this editorial is that the thing is lucrative. It's a very lucrative business. So we need to take out the human intervention. That's the only way we think we can solve the Galamsey problem. It has to be technology. We have to take out the human intervention. Because if I am a human being and I'm 32 and I'm a security agent from the security agencies, I've been deployed to Galamsey, I'm Ghanaian. Some Chinese man comes and gives me $40,000 and says, officer, take this money and look away, let me dig. $40,000. It's very likely that you do it. It's very likely. He's not doing it because he's a criminal. You see, I don't enjoy those people who come on radio and talk like they are paragons of virtue and all that. That's not how we build a society. We have to remove the bottlenecks. We don't have to look for good human beings. Because human beings are designed by God to express themselves and have freedom. Otherwise, we won't build prisons. If we think of we are looking for good human beings, we won't build prisons. Why do we build prisons? And the prisons we build, are they empty? Those prisons, are they empty? They are not empty. So we have to understand that it's not the morality of human beings that we use to build societies. We use laws, and currently we can also use technology. That's what society is built by laws and ethos. And now you can add technology. So because it's human beings who are doing it, it is really complicated. I mean, if you had the testimony of Charles Bissue and all of these people, it's very, very complicated because the human being is collecting money. He can't collect money. And Galamsey is a rich business. There's plenty of money in Galamsey. Illegal money as it is. Blood money, if you like, you can call it that. But it is illegal money because it's money that is being generated from illegal business. Okay. But it is a lot of money. It's not small money. It's a lot of money. Guess what? We are entering campaign season. Every politician is looking for money. 275 members of parliament are looking for money. 230 DCs are looking for money. Key supporters, campaign managers, they are all looking for money. Everybody is looking for money. In this season, politicians. Now, Galamsey Galamsey is so quick money, it's illegal money. Quick, white, great, shishishi, pam, you're gone. So it is something that is very difficult to fight with human beings. That's why we are introducing this guy. We're going to tell you what we think we should do with this guy. This is what I'm thinking. Okay. And we run it by our people. This is our guy. This is the guy to stop the Galamsey. This man, he will stop the Galamsey. He's called Jojo. He will stop the Galamsey. Now, Jojo here is expensive. So this is our solution. Mineral Commission grants concessions. We understand that some of these concessionaires also are tempted to do the Galamsey. Okay. So when the concession is granted and it's determined to a mining area, can we invest money and put Jojo there? No police, no soldier, nothing. No. What is Frimpong Boateng called? A mess task force, nothing. No task force, no soldier, no police. Jojo will be there. Now, we're going to build Jojo up technologically, okay? So Jojo is an AI, all right? He has brain, okay? So we put the AI brain in his head. Now, Jojo is going to be, he's going to have guns on him. So scientists are going to build him so that he's sensitive to an excavator working around him. Or he's sensitive to some kind of human activity. So, but there's farming as well. So because there's farming, the algorithm must be able to distinguish between a farmer and a galamseer. So Jojo here must be designed to see a galamseer. So Jojo is there. He's standing there. As soon as an excavator appears, he shoots at it. Yes, he will shoot at the excavator. Once he feels that excavator is here, machine gun will start. It will come. It will kill you. So you don't need police. Are you going to give Jojo $40,000? Yeah. Where are the Galamsey people? Go and give Jojo $2 billion. He doesn't need it. He doesn't know what it is. But he has the gun. It's with him. It's programmed. So when he sees it, if we did that, viewers, if we can find the money, it's probably going to cost about $2 million to put Jojo together. If we have 50 Jojos across the country for $2 million, it's very expensive. But if you check the damage of Galamsey, and if you check how much money Galamsey gets, it is not complicated to invest in Jojo. Okay, because if you have Jojo there, who is going? The military will be deployed to do other things. They will have a full-time work to do. They are not doing mining. Police don't need to be there. Minerals Commission just deploy Jojo. One, Jojo is one. Technology. Two, we deploy cameras. When you are giving a mining concession, you will be told by the Minerals Commission that build cameras there quickly and send us the camera data. So the Lands Commission sets up a data center with the Ghana Journalists Association. So every media house, me, you, everybody, Joy FM, Original FM, City, everybody, you can be in your newsroom and somebody calls you and say, I'm calling from Nkwanta. There's Galamsey at the concession of X mining. So you just come to a newsroom, X mining, put it there, let's see. And it's there. From anywhere in Ghana, you can see it. The police have it as well. You can see it. So that's when the police come in. If they are doing a such that Jojo didn't see, the camera will see. Because if Jojo sees, they are dead. If Jojo sees you, you are dead. Because once he sees you, the gun will come out. So when Jojo shoots for the first time, and people hear that the gun came out of Jojo, nobody will go there anymore. That's it. So all the money we've been spending, if you can find some good money and deploy 50 Jojos across the country, in 1 year, all the Galamsey will stop. So
yo, for winning and some year, Paul Adomoche, edited or quiet before a bit see a yes, Galamsey. Now, what you say to me, deploy 50 or more a year, Jojo or no robot. Now, just say the program of artificial intelligence. I'll bet me a sense excavator. Now, be a better use of the galan and one or fire or tutu about a yes, and pacron. Now, San Silvio or the two gallon, and I Kevin Tiller and any Yabi. Now, Kevin say a year from home, what a report about that a year the president in for 2 solid years. President Yini, and no, they say will be president. I didn't report about that with you for 2 years. Now, when you would in our own come once and only a dear here. Now, Kevin Tiller, the ensemble Binara and the 2 year for a year. All analysis here, the 2 year for my first way beating a stop a year Galamsey. Now, yes, Breno, after Yeti a year Kevin Tiller, the reaction, our the 2 year, a brap Paul Kawa Sansibi, Yeti a year Kevin, so the reaction of our Sansibi.
So Osha Paul Adomo TV, so Andra, Adibi Oyena, me boys me send me stray and then they say yanko fa robot na robot no e me hwe Galamsey so your journalism na han ye dia bedu journalism na e wo Ghana no and they wo hwe before asenkrigwa no Paul Adomochiro kasama MPP no say yanko fa robot bi afa ni jojo a report we jimi just me ano matena wa say we jimi Andra na TV so I think my team they sent me a screenshot of this. Now Paul TV so no yeden. Paul Adomochiro TV so and na okache Ghana for say se Galamsey ntokwa no Akufo Addo ne MPP akwa enye ye inti hope bia ni baby inti sia no yankofa robot emra ne from jojo inti robot no akwa say asema de na Ghana for mo so makọ school na omutra akwa we show so Adeya Paul Adomochiro say se yankofa robocop bi mra na robocop no sia no Galamsey ntokwa no ye ntuma nko se technology ne ye de beko nti yankofa robocop bi a robocop jojo na jojo no okutatuo na say obi ko nwuram ko Galamsey a eno an say jojo ba hey you don't have certificate hey pipion na jojo de kun na ye say na enkofo te ho say Paul you are making sense I want to say mponchine dorso. You see where we are now. Journalism has been reduced to foolishness. Today Galamsey na nkofone ye no instead of a journalist to stand on TV to open the report and question the president why he ignored a report for 2 years standing in front of the taxpayer and the person who voted for him and lie no he's not doing it all. He's now saying that the Galamsey fighting the nipa ntumi nko yanko che robocop mra na yanfra robocop ni jojo na jojo metete nwure mu ho na yeso bi ko Galamsey na jojo chichon. This is how low we have gotten. Now, yan turning the fight against Galamsey no into technology fight. Now, technology no kusi ebe ne shechiri. Technology no aye nipa ne se technology ne chi. The level of shallow-mindedness, the level of ignorance, the mediocrity, foolishness, the exhibition of stupidity no on our TVs no. Utwit na obuta say ah na yan ebi mu yan nyemo na se ye butu omo no mu pie firi omo maami. Today, the MPP has failed. Now, instead of people who are saying, Paul Onyakora, ne tu nyine fudwene. Paul, na nse na wa start your drugs in Tirana wo de wa ye no. Ne tu nyine fudwene. Now, for him to stand on TV in port to say we should use Robocop. Now, wakwasha ade ntuma bi ne etwitwa no. Me hu broni a ohwe sa ade we bi da. Broni na this suit ba yo. Me hu broni a wahwe suit a etwitwa no say da. Jimmy o ena nkofo weti Ghana no mu Jimmy Ghana for adenti a MPP ne faili yemfa kwan bi so na yenkasa yesi an Robocop inti you know what when the Robocop comes and the Robocop you call Jojo and then when people are doing Galamsey Jojo go to the forest and Jojo look hey why you doing Galamsey here pipion Jojo shoot the person so the person will not go there again now o shed nipa bi hu nyenyenyen nsem bi a oka at this juncture. Last, people say, Kevin, how can we fight Galamsey? Me say we need leaders who are willing. When there's a will, we can fight Galamsey. These people are not willing. These guys in power, Galamsey, Nico, it is not easy. But when you have a leader who is willing, we will fight Galamsey. And the whole thing starts with the leader. Nana Addo Akufo Addo and the NPP are not willing because they are the ones doing Galamsey. So you see the picture. So instead of this junkie coming to tell Ghanaians, you know what? We have gotten to a point where our river bodies are all being destroyed. Our forest is going. We have a government that has been in power. We have a whole professor who was in charge of a sector. He has written a report. Now, why is the president not telling us why for 2 years nobody acted on this? We need some responsibility. The president needs to answer questions. This is what we call intellectual journalism. You might be an MPP person, I don't care. But ask the intelligent questions. Let the person watching you know, say, Wunjimi. Oh, nyabwa. Oh, now, oyesana obi shows wejimi. Because you are underestimating the intelligence of the people watching you. Why should we use robot to robot na nkona mure man wa wi achenchere me say robot enye nipa na di diesel begum sa robot jojo na obetutu no enye ne na be ko magazine akokoto oil na dia babegum na yene ya corrupt yene akoto oil abegu jojo dim we jimi nkofo mo jimi mama ka bi nche it is not difficult. Government come, government go. Aban ba, aban ko. Let us admit NPP and the Akufo Addo and the Bawumia and the Alankash, this MPP, they have failed. You might love Akufo Addo. You might love MPP so much, but the fact of the case is say it drew some level be we need to admit that you know what, you have failed, you have disappointed, you could not deliver. Party, it is not about an individual, it is an ideology. Let us go back and regroup. Let us go rethink about the people again and come sell them a message and let them know we can serve them. Don't stand in front of the people and let everybody think, say, no, you don't do that. That is what sometimes it worries me about these NPP journalists. Admit to the people. Let them know Akufo Addo has disappointed everybody. What Akufo Addo said, putting his presidency on the line, and this document being with him for 2 years, you are disappointed in him. And no be sure about more respect. Because Paul, meaning so MPP, but you have shown to say you are a man who has integrity, who can think. You see, so you sit on your show and you let the person watch you. I'm an MPP person, I love it. But let me be honest here. It is gathered out that we are building this and that. Akufo Addo got it wrong. He needs to come and apologize. He needs to understand. We gave him power. We all trusted him. This is wrong. And the president needs to take responsibility. He is telling the people the honest truth. But this is the situation. Now, Entuma Fumbia Bejina TV so say Vietnam suit. Oh, Yankofa Jojo robot. Wait me. A man call for crowd, they will make fun of you and your kids. They will make fun of you and your friends. They will see you and start laughing at you and say, now wait Jimmy sir. So you're smart. Because we live in this country. You might love Akufo Addo, you might be his slave, you might be feeding you like a chicken. It's fine. But when it comes to morality, making people understand, say, you need to set the record straight. You need to do that. Say, me catch will say, John Dramani Mahama Yesu Christo, John Mahama, Oba, 1 year, Ghana Bears UK. Kevin Taylor with Jimmy Anna. And I will not argue with you because you are applying your common sense. But when I come to sit here and tell you, the reason why I want you to vote for John Mahama is because when you look back, when you look at what he did, when you look at challenges he had and the way he was able to develop a third world country, and at the end of the day, when I compare his performance to this government, I believe that he has what it takes to take us out of this because he has the experience. Now, when you are watching me, you sit back as a rational person and say, because at this point, there are two parties in Ghana. Now, Nipara will do the next party in him. On your new person, this is a person who has experience. And not just experience, we can look back and see the work he did. So, rational people do that. They look back and they say, Kevin say, Ntuma Mahama, Ntuma Mahama. Let me look back. Let me look at the NDC. Omo time no. A DNA ya kan ya beshishema e no kura na say no kure. Ye ka say Mahama ako sit down Dubai or the Ghana Fosika Akoto hotel. Ye hwehwe mo no kure. Ye say confirm to ye ko hwehwe mo no kure. Enya no kure confirm bi antu. Nipa bi na kato no so Mahama ye say na Mahama say ye nti obia odi asante hin atam ye ko hwehwe mu no na ye party e na otumfo ankaza party obo ne nwom e na Mahama ye sebi e na ye kato no so Mahama no time na oteso ne NDC no ye say omo fasika di sika ben evidence no when that is what abrofo sa na omo ye sa na abrofo dwene. But ye no ye jiminti ye dwen say some party or say ye di abrabo nyina to party ni so into obi jimi ane ye take shit no mano na nipa no is passing behind us na ye de bia ne ye bi hu say ye jimi. We are not supposed to think that way. We are not supposed to underestimate the people who watch us. De bia meka kiremo, the reason why you get people watch mamka bi bin kiremo ha in Ghana titru bia ni wo Ghana on show. But people are saying Kevin Taylor insults. But I can tell you for a fact, or 2-4 to the last king in Ghana, everybody watches me. The president himself, he watches me. Every person who matters in Ghana watches me. You know why? They are all saying Kevin insults, but they are watching. You know why? Because they don't care about the insult. They know that I'm telling the people the truth. And it does not mean but there's something the person is looking out for. Or has and I'm telling them the truth. Omo hwɛ me nyina ɛyɛ omo yana omo nsa no kure no ɛsesa nipa na dwene omo se Kevin didi atem didie ɛnya mo ayesa nkoma ne kan ɛnya bɔne o wagimi a or say so wagimi. That is how journalism is supposed to be done. I will not come and sit here and pretend to say me nimbrofo mete brofo chen me an woman say me broni. I will not pretend, say, I will let everything come down for you to understand, say, we are applying common sense to save a generation. Everybody in Ghana, the people in the MPP, I mean, social media and radio, so Ghana, those people will never pick their phone and call them because they don't respect them. MPP mom, top guys, MPP dane. They pick their phone and call me and talk to me. Into sometime who's so bit radio, so TV, so Facebook, I know who I'm saying. If any para or command or who's so with Jimmy, that person respects me more than you. When was the last time NPP called you to tell you what should we do? Unfrel, because your level of intelligence and Drew Kevin Taylor. One kasa ni pebi krampa ubet me save you omo. But the NPP, when I'm telling you NPP, mameka bibinchira munde. This TV production, about 70% of NPP for the sponsor TV way. Yes. And some are even related to the president. And they call and they support my TV. You know why? Because somebody may answer. Because they know we have gotten to that point. Somebody needs to break that egg.
Yo, it is for winning and some year coming till any two go reacted to Paul Adomotre in some of the two choir or Tresse and Faso na inti NC a year Galamsey no you need a human factor influence and a robot or no friend Jojo. As our robot here deployed near man artificial intelligence. Bitima sense excavator any human activities na obi obeye na just obeye Galamsey no na say robot yi etututu fire sa ni pakro na no na ye kem tell so ababonti one nya adwen a watutu bi e de man o chese Frimpong what report about the president in 2 solid years in president entimi kan ho se wo yi ni ade na wo mi bi report na o ka check the president ade na report yi on kan ho se eno na ese wo ye na kem tell fa na ho anche no de sembe bi nera ena etubia. Because says when you subscribe to the channel now, message say over subscribe or like it now share video no of so in be share. Also betimi Akyerɛ wadwen afa say when you now ewo comment box ni. Obate me can be in my next video.
Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.